Mr. Ridley.
All right, this is, we are back on the live stream, and this is Mr. Douglas, Mr. Donald Douglas. And that case number is SP 135-37501, Donald Dwight Douglas. The charge is license improper. This is the date and time for trial. Mr. Donald Dwight Douglas. If you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Donald Douglas.
And who's representing Mr. Douglas?
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Donald Douglas. Today is the date and time set for trial. The officer has appeared. My client has a valid license at this time. I believe the people are moving for dismissal, and I would stipulate to probable cause.
It is so ordered. Mr. Douglas, this matter is dismissed pursuant to your compliance. Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
I have other files. I have 2 files on him with some more tickets in there. I don't know what's going on. They're like up there in warrant status.
Did you, Ms. Soroki, know about the other matters for Mr. Douglas?
I did not, Your Honor.
Okay, apparently, sir, you have some other tickets that are in warrant status. Are they civil infractions or misdemeanors, Mr. Ratliff?
Meters.
Okay, then what, we're gonna have to give you a date.
If you give me a second, Judge, just a second, I'm gonna run and make sure they open or what, but he had 2 different files.
Okay, so we're gonna look at your record, Mr. Douglas, just 1 minute.
This is SP 916621. Failed to display operator's license. That's count 1, it's still open.
Well,
Count 2, improper plates, still open.
okay,
And count
are we
3,
able to give him an offer on that today, Ms. Horn, or do you need him to come back? What do you want to do with those?
Ms. Horn,
unregistered, drove unregistered.
Ms. Horn. Madam Prosecutor.
So, Mr. Douglas, would you want to admit the improper plate violation?
I don't even know what that ticket is.
No,
Okay,
let's,
so you wanna-
let's give him a new date so he'll be fully
We're
informed.
gonna set it for a trial date.
Yes, we can do that.
Okay, and the matter today, we resolved the matter for the zone days docket today. The other matters, we set it for trial for 12/22.
All right, so your other matters, you have 2 more outstanding matters, Mr. Douglas, 2 more outstanding matters. And we're going to set them for trial.
Okay.
And on December 22nd, so come back so that we can resolve those for you. Because you're not finished, okay?
Okay. So the thing we were supposed to clear today, is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so look at the numbers. You check your the website under your name. Just make sure you look at the case numbers. But the one scheduled for today is dismissed or closed, really.
Okay.
And
Or
then,
dismissed. No, I guess it's dismissed for your compliance.
and the time, you didn't give him the time, Your Honor. To be here.
8:30 in the morning on December 22nd. Thank you, Mr. Petway. All right,
8:30.
yes, sir. Same Zoom.
Okay.
Okay, you may disconnect.
Thank you.
Now, I think we have 1 more person, is that right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so if you close the breakout room, that person will automatically be redirected here. And then we can, that person is Debonair Ridley?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, and I just keep messing up my email address. I forgot to put the M on .com this time. If he could just hold it up to the screen so that I could see the certificate.
Okay, Mr. Ridley.